Welcome back to Marchwood-house. This week I'll be explaining heat pumps. A heat pump is a device that transfers heat energy from a source of heat to what's called a thermal reservoir. Heat pumps move thermal energy in the opposite direction of spontaneous heat transfer by absorbing heat from a cold space and releasing it into a warmer one. A heat pump uses external power to accomplish the work of transferring energy from the heat source to the heat sink. Heat pumps generally draw heat from the cooler external air, an air source heat pump, or from the earth, ground source heat pump. Heat energy naturally transfers from warmer spaces to colder spaces. However, a heat pump can reverse this process by absorbing heat from a cold space and releasing it to a warmer one. This process requires some amount of external energy, such as electricity. In a heating system, it's able to provide heating or cooling to the internal space as required. Heat pumps work like refrigerators inside out. They use a refrigerant as an intermediate fluid to absorb heat where it vaporizes in the evaporator, and then to release heat where the refrigerant condenses in the condenser. Because of the build, I'm going to be going for an air source heat pump with underfloor heating in every room to keep the place nice and toasty warm. Liking, commenting and subscribing helps the YouTube algorithm and only takes a second. There is also a link to the affiliate page in the description which will work if you're buying anything on Amazon and really helps the channel. And there is a link to sign up for Amazon Prime with a month's free trial. See you next time.